When my teeth decayed and they had to take them out, I had dental implants. They put posts in and attached a full set of bottom teeth from one side to the other. I can eat just anything I want to. Sandwiches, ribs. I don't have a lot of stories about pain with eating because I just didn't eat the foods that caused pain. Now it doesn't matter, and I'm glad I can eat now. I just order what I want. I enjoy people, being around them, and the social aspect of dinner. They say, you look younger. But I'm not sure about that. I've had dentists who said, I can't help you. I can't do this. So it depended on a good dentist who knew what they were doing and how to do it. And I found them. I would highly recommend it. Bite the bullet and do it. I have no regrets about getting this taken care of. The end product is a beautiful smile and a healthy mouth.
Perfect. Are you having fun?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now when you go back, you have something to talk about at dinner.
Yeah, really? Have you ever? Go, get them done.